Framing theory. Framing is a concept which is commonly used to understand the media effects. It is regarded as the extension of agenda-setting theory, which prioritizes an issue and makes the audience think about its effects. General purpose of framing theory. Framing used to represent the communication aspect which leads to the people's preference by consenting one meaning to another. Framing stimulates the decision-making process by highlighting particular aspects by eliminating the others. For example, the newspaper frames the news within a particular viewpoint. This can change the perception of the issue among the readers. Example of framing theory. The sensitive issues that are coming in the media have been framed diplomatically by not supporting any principles, and thus the people can make their own decisions. But a biased media can frame an issue negatively and can influence the mass. Intuition and careful interpretation of the audience are inevitable when it comes to framing.
Assumptions of framing theory. Framing theory aims to identify the individual vision scheme to the world. Based on framing theory, the key assumptions taken from the thesis of framing theory are related to the media. There are 4 assumptions obtained from the framing theory. First, as an example, journalists select the topics they will present and decide how they will be presented. So, this determines the issues audience think about and how they think about them. Second is audience interpret information through their own frames. Audience frames may overlap or contradict the media's frames. Third is frames are reinforced every time they are evoked, whether positively or negatively. And last is frames building is a systematic process that occurs over time.
Aspect or process of communication. There are 2 aspects in framing. First, choose the facts, reality. The process of selecting this fact is based on assumption. Journalists are unlikely to see prospective stage event. In choosing these facts, it always contains 2 possibilities: what is included and what is excluded. Which part is emphasized in reality, what part of the reality is being reported, and which part is not reported. Second, write the facts. This process relates to how the selected facts are presented to the audience. The idea is expressed by white words, sentence, and proposition, with the help of accentuating photos and pictures, and so forth.